Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is okay. The table topic for today is if you had to teach something, what would you teach? If you had to teach something, what would you choose? What would you choose? What would you teach? If I would have to teach anything, that would be that would be about my profession and basically I'm in a data science domain. I would teach data science machine learning to anyone if I would have been given a chance, and that's what I would teach. And why I would teach is because recently I have read about it that whenever we think something about the social impact or anything that we would want to do, then it often we need to think about which space will give you the maximum ROI. For example, that if a doctor wants to do social good and if he decides to teach underprivileged children, then that's not the maximum ROI space, right? The maximum ROI space for a doctor could be that treating the patients, the needy patients, when people don't have capital, or maybe they don't get enough care, or maybe there's some part of the world, some part of the India where people are not getting uh, the care they need. So that's the best ROI space for a doctor. So similarly for me, when I think about it, the maximum ROI space looks for the people who want to get in the machine learning field, people who want to thrive in the machine learning field. So over the years of experience, what I've learned is how to survive and how to do better in this field. So that's the learning people learn the hard way. That's what I would want to impart to the people. Well, one is technical learning, then other side is behavioral learning, functional learning, how to survive and get better, how to thrive in a machine learning field. That's what I would want to teach if I given opportunity. Thank you. Over to you.